Welcome to the Engineering Maintenance Solutions video briefing, your source for the latest breakthroughs, success stories, and innovations shaping the world of industrial maintenance and reliability. In this edition, game-changing lifting systems, laser-powered automation, and how maintenance just might be your company's best team sport. Leading the way in engineering reliability, Hart Door Systems continues to set the benchmark in industrial door performance. From their Speedor high-speed doors to the fire-rated and storm-resistant shutters, Hart is redefining energy efficiency and environmental control. Built in the UK, trusted worldwide. With designs tested to Super Typhoon standards and compliant with ISO 9001 and LPS fire safety certifications, Hart's doors are engineered for safety, speed, and sustainability. Next, we head to a UK rail viaduct where Hoist Winch delivered precision-engineered lifting solutions on water. Using air-powered hoists and telemetry load cells, they safely lowered massive concrete collars onto bridge piers, all during shifting tides and floating scaffold platforms. The result? Zero incidents, perfect load balance, and a customer who called it a textbook operation. In an age of climate urgency, Hart's fast-action doors are more than a convenience. They're a climate tool. As Doug Hart reminds us, temperature control starts with controlling your building envelope. The Speedor Storm closes fast, resists wind class 5, and helps factories reduce energy waste, because every kilowatt counts. At the cutting edge of additive manufacturing, Nagel Technologies has delivered a breakthrough laser robot cell to the Scale Center in Hanover, Germany. Designed for 3D wire deposition, the system is pushing the envelope for aerospace and shipbuilding applications. With 2 robots, 14 servo axes, and full digital integration, it's not just a machine, it's the future of large-scale metal fabrication. Amazon Filters is showcasing its latest liquid gas coalescers and sustainable filtration tech at the African Petrochemicals and Energy Roadshow. Represented by NatSep, they're bringing UK-made precision to South Africa's energy industry. Whether it's sterile process filtration or coalescing gas streams, Amazon Filters proves that sustainability and performance go hand in hand. Axial flux motors promise power and efficiency, but they've remained hard to produce at scale. Until now. Lambda Resins has developed a thermally conductive resin that replaces bonding with encapsulation, slashing production costs, and boosting torque by up to 40%. Less heat, fewer parts, and smarter design. This is how the next generation of e-mobility gets built. In the high-stakes world of waste to energy, corrosion is the enemy. One UK biomass plant turned to high-velocity thermal spray to protect 168 square meters of boiler surface. The result? A 6-day turnaround and a 300% return on investment, all without welding heat distortion. Speed, precision, durability, all in one spray. At Landia, investing in apprentices isn't just a policy, it's a priority. With young engineers like Will Lewis completing their first year, the company is proving that tailored long-term training creates loyal, skilled teams. Landia believes your workforce is only as good as you train it to be, and they're backing that belief with action. Can maintenance be like football? Ultimo's Berend Booms thinks so. In his feature, he likens operations, maintenance, and safety to strikers, defenders, and midfielders, each passing data like a perfect triangle. Smart teamwork, shared insight, and one source of truth. That's how total asset management scores goals. From remote-controlled hoists to zero-emissions valve systems, from vibration sensors to hydrogen safety, the June-July 2025 EMS edition showcases a future that's precise, connected, and resilient. Explore these stories and more in the latest issue of Engineering Maintenance Solutions. Because when your assets are reliable, your future is unstoppable.